Doll, please.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a package from DHL, one of my favorite delivery services, because when they show up, it means I have a package from Culture Japan. This is a package of Chaos Wigs. Now, I have never ordered Chaos Wigs. I've ordered quite a few things from Chaos before, and I've always been a fan of the things that I got. I don't know what to expect in here, so let's just open it. Ooh, okay. This first one looks kind of like the one that used to come on Oceana, I believe. Just like a short, wavy, it's like a dark brown. The second one is a very pretty light brown, has a lot of red in it, which I don't know if it's showing up on camera. This one looks big though. Doesn't that wig cap look huge? This color though, like, I freaking love this. Okay, two things real quick before we try them on the dolls, but that I noticed. In this wig, the bangs in the front are sewn to the inside. Every time I've used a wig that has hair sewn on the inside in the front like this, it has stained my doll on their wig line. Culture Japan, any other kind of wig, like it doesn't matter what company it's from. Usually this hair right here leaves like a little mark on their skin. I actually have some dolls that have the inside like this now, and I actually have a plain wig cap on top of their head, and then this over the wig cap so that's not touching their precious little vinyl. And on the other one, the one with the big wig cap, I noticed that on the inside there's a track sewn all the way around on the inside, and I don't think any other smart doll wig is like this. That's really cool because you can pull the hair up around. Like if you wanted to do a ponytail, that's all covered because you have that inside track. Like this wig here, if you were to try to do a ponytail, you see the wig because there's no hair on the inside. Just like this one with the bangs on the inside staining the doll. I imagine the same thing would happen with this. I'm not sure, but let's try them on some dolls. So here we have Miss Ruby. She's been sporting this lavender wig lately. Let's try the shorter wavy one on her. I'm gonna try it on a couple of different people. See how it looks. Okay, so having it on a girl, I can kind of see how the bangs here fall forward a lot. I wonder if they were going to actually make bangs out of this wig. I always like to pull back these front pieces in wigs. I think it makes them look cute, and I think it definitely helps this wig out a lot. I like the body and volume to it. It's not just laying like flat on her. It falls just past shoulders, kind of like close to the middle of the back, but not quite. Next we have Miss Prowess in her diva outfit. She's gonna try on this wig. I'm gonna try this one on her because it's very similar to the color that she's wearing now. I feel like this new one has a little bit more red in it. I'm also really curious about this one because this is the one with the huge wig cap that doesn't have, I can't even tell if it's elastic. Okay, let's try it on. Yeah, I really feel like this one I'm just gonna plop on her head. Like I barely have to pull in the back, but it does fit. It does have a lot of hair. This is very pretty though. It fits. It's not like too big or too baggy. It just plops right on and off, which I think might be a good thing. People who struggle with putting them on or don't have like the dexterity to do it, these wigs, it just like popped right on. This one is a bit longer than the other one. Kind of goes all the way down to the booty. But yeah, I love this color. It's like nice and full. This is a really pretty wig. All right, so those are our Chaos wigs. I am gonna swap them out and put them on a couple different dolls just to see how they look. Stay tuned for that. Let me know which one of these two is your favorite. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.